Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Najib binti Syed Yasir, student of FA 725 Master of Science Property Investment. Today I would like to present about my dissertation. The topic is multiple linear regression analysis on service apartment building prices. Okay, next we go through to the outline. There has several points. First is introduction. Introduction has significance of research study, research aim, research question, research objective, research method, and then research area, research methodology, data analysis procedure, result and discussion, limitation of current study, recommendation for future study. For the introduction, this study focuses on service apartment building in Johor Bahru. Nowadays, the quantity of service apartment building in Malaysia have sprung out like a mushroom. The majority of the service apartments are located in the city, and the demand of service apartment exists for various reasons, including the amenities it offers. Service apartment provide a comfortable, fully furnished household such as kitchen, laundry, cabinet. Then this research seeks to provide experimental research by analyzing the relationship between transaction prices and the factor affecting the service apartment building price in Johor Bahru by applying an empirical experimental which is performed by testing the multiple linear regression model. Structure and physical characteristics are one of the main factors affecting the apartment price. Furthermore, this research uses secondary data or the data property transaction on the service apartment building obtained from the Valuation and Property Services Department, JPPH, and National Property Information System, NAPIN. Okay, next we go through the significance of the research study. They have four. First is valuer, second is developers, third is potential buyers on acquire, and lastly is potential buyers investor. For the valuer can refer to the price model from this study as a basis for justification of value. Besides, it also can advise private and commercial investors, property owners, insurance companies, or banks regarding service apartment in city centre. For the developers will use the finding from the study as a guide. It also to determine the starting offered selling price of the project. Apart from market study, having knowledge about the values of the housing attribute will assist developers in setting the initial offer price. For the potential buyers or occupier, it also will assist home or buyers to identify factors that affect the price. The potential buyers also can identify which house attribute of the property that they wish to purchase. Then, potential buyer also can illustrate if the buyer is buying property as preparation for the old days. Lastly is potential buyers, investor. Potential buyer investor also can to identify aspect and factor that give significant impact towards property price. The investor also normally survey various projects before investing their money in a project. It also to have understanding on the impact of each attribute towards the price of service apartment. And lastly, this can assist investor in making project investment decision. For the research aim, question, objective, and method, the aim of this research is to determine the main factor affecting service apartment prices. For the research question 1, what are the factors that affecting the service apartment prices? Then, the research objective 1, to identify the factor affecting the service apartment prices. And for the research method, data collection and data analysis, such as secondary data, secondary sources, JPPH data. And for the data analysis, we'll use SPSS, descriptive statistics, Shapiro word test, and Spearman rank correlation approach. Next is research question number 2. What are the significant factors affecting the service apartment prices? Research objective 2, to determine the significant factors affecting the service apartment prices. And the research method will use data collection, which is secondary data, secondary sources, JPPH data, and also data analysis by using SPSS, ANOVA, collinearity, statistic, and regression coefficient approach. And lastly is research question 3. What are the most significant factors that affect the service department prices? For the research objective number 3, to determine the most significant factors that affect the service department prices. And the research method will use data collection, which is secondary data, secondary sources GPPH data, and the data analysis using SPSS, ANOVA, collinearity, statistic, and regression coefficient approach. For the research area, the researcher was chosen Johor Bahru district. Johor is the third most developing state in Malaysia, most developing after Selangor, Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur and Sarawak compared with other states in Malaysia. Department of Statistics 2021. Johor Bahru district has the highest development number of service apartment building among other districts like Kulai and Kota Tinggi in Johor. There are 27 development projects of the service apartment building in the Johor Bahru district, while 2 in Kulai and 1 in Kota Tinggi. Based on the data obtained from Jabatan Penilaian dan Perkhidmatan Harta JPPH Johor, the project on service apartment building gradually started to develop from the year 2015 until today. Next, we go through to research methodology. There are several steps. First stage is introduction. It is to determination of research field and problems, and also formation of research question and establish of research objective. It also to identify the survey apartment building price issue and problem in Malaysia and specific area. Second research stage is literature review, service apartment building definition and theory review of empirical and theoretical literature concerning survey apartment development, factor affecting service apartment transaction prices, and multiple linear regression. There also will formation of research design, structure correlation analysis, structure of multiple linear regression, and also designing the actual research. Next, in the third research stage is data collection. Secondary data is quantitative, which involve the collection of service apartment building data property transaction prices in the selection areas. The selection of areas can be done through progressive sampling subject to the availability of data. The main sources of the data is through JPPH and NAPIC. And lastly is the fourth stage is data analysis. Data analysis is a statistical data analysis uses SPSS software is a systematic application of the statistical technique to interpret, visualize, and evaluate data. Furthermore, the use of a multiple linear regression model is to predict the outcome of the variable between a dependent variable and independent variable. Therefore, the researcher must identify and follow the steps involved in empirical experiment with the configuration parameters and technique is required. The finding of the data analysis will be discussed and evaluated in detail to achieve all these research questions. Okay, next is methodology. The methodology is to develop variable from previous literature. Literature review sought their secondary sources for the research is about service apartment building as well as factor affecting transaction price and multiple linear regression analysis model. Then is data collection, the exploratory of secondary data based on data property transaction for year 2020 from January until December. Next is research area, which is Johor Bahru District, Malaysia. For the research methodology, there are 3 analyses we'll use to achieve 3 objectives. Okay, next is conceptual framework of property price. For the property price, there are 4 which are transaction related characteristic, structural characteristic, location characteristic, neighborhood characteristic. In the transaction related characteristic is have building status, which is freehold, leasehold, date of transaction, transaction price, lot, and building number and position. For the structural characteristic, facilities and amenities, age of building, number of bedroom, type of property, lot area, floor area, number of story, tenant. In the location characteristic is accessibility, and lastly is neighborhood characteristic, which is security. Okay, next we go through the data and analysis procedure. Development model process. I use the model SPSS in objective one. We use descriptive statistic, Shapiro-Wilk test, and Spearman rank correlation approach. Objective 2, we use multiple linear regression analysis model, ANOVA, collinearity statistic, and regression coefficient approach. For objective 3, also use as same like objective 2. Next, we go through the development model process SPSS. They have several steps. For the beginning, I will get the data from the GPPH, which is data transaction property of service apartment in Johor Bahru. Then we go through the data verification. Then is data cleaning process. Data cleaning process is to sorting the unnecessary data and remove unselect year transaction, and also remove another property category. And also next is transform variable, which is data quantification, convert data into dummy variable. It classification of variable into subgroup, which is have 14 independent variable. Then go through preliminary analysis of data. And in preliminary analysis of data, we'll have 3 preliminary analysis, which is descriptive statistic, Shapiro test, Spearman rank correlation. In descriptive statistic is will described by average, estimate, frequency, discrete, and percentage that can make the researcher easy to understand. The second is Shapiro test, is the statistical test on normality data to examine various factors that underlying relationship between variable, Shapiro 1988, and Spearman rank correlation, the correlation function to measure on the DV relationship between DV and IV. In multiple integration and implementation, we conduct ANOVA, collinearity statistic regression coefficient. ANOVA is used to explain the F-test and R-square in regression analysis. F-test we compare in the model, where R-square support well the data. For the collinearity statistic is to produce the significant IV. Then lastly is regression coefficient. Regression coefficient is to represent the most IV contribute based on the results standardized beta coefficient. And then N. Next we go to result and discussion objective 1. Objective 1 is to identify the factor affecting the service apartment prices. For first is use test of normality Shapiro test. This study used the Shapiro test as the best choice for sample size, where N 134 to test the normality of data. Result in table shows the distribution of all variables are not normally distributed. P value is less than for 0.05. Therefore, Spearman rank correlation coefficient was used to identify the relationship between dependent variable, transaction price, and independent variable factors. The Spearman rank correlation coefficient is the non-parametric version of the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. Next, we go to second analysis, Spearman rank correlation analysis. This analysis is to achieve the objective 1. What are the factors that affecting the survey apartment prices? It shows the strong positive linear correlation is number of bathroom, moderate positive linear correlation, number of bedroom, positive linear correlation, number of story and floor level, negative linear correlation, age of building, and transaction price, transaction date. Next, we go to objective 2 to determine the significant factor affecting the service and farmer prices. The analysis is used ANOVA. Based on the ANOVA table, the model is fit F107.311, where p-value is 0 less than for 0.05. We select the factor enter into the model that explains 71.2% of the total variation in transaction price. Typically, the indication of the value of R square between 0.7 until 0.9 is good. However, there is no standard guideline to determine the level of rating acceptance. Thus, Esler 2009 has proposed a rule of thumb for accepted R square with 0.75, 0.5, and 0.25 are described as substantial, moderate, and weak respectively. For this study, the value R square is indicated as moderate because the value lies between 0.5 and 0.7. For the next step is collinearity statistic. The table shows the collinearity statistic indicates that all tolerance values were more than 0.1, which show that there were no multicollinearity problems. This also supported by VIF value of less than 10. Next is regression coefficient is to achieve the objective number 2. The finding of multiple linear regression model in table and figure reveal that factor number of bathroom is made statistically significant contribution. It means that these three factors were number of bathroom, facility and amenities, number of bedroom, had contribution and play important roles in transaction price. Next, to achieve the objective number 3, we'll use standardized coefficient beta value. According to table and figure, we can conclude that the most significant factor that affect the service apartment prices in this study is the number of bedroom compared to the number of bathroom and facility amenities. After researcher has summarized the performance of multicollinearity coefficient and determination R square, T value, and F test, the finding answer the research question 3. What are the most significant factors that affect the service apartment building prices? For the overall discussion on the study, to conclude here, the research objective have been successfully conducted by using the empirical theoretical study. For the first objective is to identify factors affecting the service apartment prices, to achieve by using normality test and sperma correlation analysis, and to analyze the association between service apartment and factors affecting service apartment prices. From the result, the selected variable have produce several strengths of the association towards service apartments, such as strong, moderate, and weak association. For the second objective is to determine the significant factor that affect the service apartment prices. This objective was achieved by using multiple linear regression analysis through the result of ANOVA, tolerance, and variation of inflation VIF from collinearity statistic, and also regression coefficient. Based on the result from 14 independent variables, only 3 independent variables was selected. Last but not least, for the objective number 3, is to determine the most significant factor that affect the survey apartment prices. The researcher has analyzed between 3 independent variables in regression coefficient. Only one independent variable shows the highest beta value, which is the number of bedrooms with 0.529. To summarize here, this study finding has discovered several factors that should be considered in determining the factors affecting the survey apartment prices. For the information, this research has analyzed with high accuracy and with 0.71, as mentioned by Muhammad and Ismail 2017, the accuracy above than 70 is acceptable in statistical analysis. For the limitation of current study, They have 3, coronavirus pandemic COVID-19, literature access and edge of data transaction. For the coronavirus, they have several problems like difficulty in obtaining data. For the literature access, they have limited due to the subscription and also must be paid in fulfill of the access. And lastly, age of data transaction. The service apartment development in Johor Bahru is still new, not more than 5 years. For the recommendation for future study, these measures provide an important step in determining the service apartment prices by applying the multiple linear regression model to be recommendation for future research. This model also can be applied to other types of building to determining the building price and used to determine transaction price in area other than Johor Bahru. Besides, this model also is widely used in many industries and it also good for the real estate industry. However, from the result of this research, the researcher was able to expand and provide new knowledge on the actual performance of survey apartment transaction for other researchers. Some factors could influence the price of the survey apartment building, and others did not have any effect. And the results show the multiple integration model can determine survey apartment prices. And lastly is other researchers encouraged to try this model by applying other model based on the data they wish to study. Okay, thank you.